Let's create a Markdown content blog using Qwik. It will have post list and simple styling. Code on GitHub. Qwik is a modern web framework with TypeScript and React.js support. For performance, it uses resumability, not DOM hydration. Router middleware more by Qwik has custom and several official integrations like Astro, Auth.js, Prisma, Tailwind, vtest, and more. First, create a new Qwik app. Call it simple blog. Choose empty app. npm start to check what we get by default. In code structure, we'll mainly add to SRC routes, which get picked by Qwik path-based router. Let's first open src routes index.tsx, which renders the home path. Tweak it to some change reflect. Document head to tweak HTML's title and meta fields. Create route directory src routes blogs for blogs. Now let's create directory for first blog and add index.mdx file herein for Markdown to render this path. This is Markdown file where top block acts as data field with title, description, open graph, other details. Let's check this blog URL similar to directory paths. Let's add blog list to routes index.tsx file. Since routes are directory path based, we can simply iterate over directories under the blog path src routes blogs and prepare blog entries lists. Tweak return component to render blog entries. Let's check we have a list, but blog name is that of a directory. We'll use gray matter to pass data field and MDX files and fetch proper title field. Error. I messed up providing path to MDX files, fix it. Let's tweak the layout TSX to provide the better common structure to page. We can move the blocks and back to list better as well. Slot element here gets populated with component returned by page values. Let's add about page using normal TypeScript. Create SRC routes about directory, add index.tsx here and add content similar to roots index.tsx. We'll enable Tailwind integration to give it a bit styling. This adds support for TSX MDX in routes. Have sped up adding Tailwind classes here. Need to restart serve for new integrations. Adding custom CSS via global CSS. Let's add another block so we can work on having a sorted list of blog entries. Currently directory names are deciding order. We want block creation date to be. Let's add created data field to blocks MDX. Make blog entries a map in our sorting logic. Pull created at field as keys. We'll make them key in blog entries to line items. Change block entries to sort for keys. Reverse the chronological order. Reduce it to a list of values that are line items. Let's fix footer styling and improve few things. We missed one bit in block sorting logic. Our created at values are being sorted as it is right now. As we see here, changing that isn't impacting. We'll use date.parse values on these to have keys as timestamp in Unix epoch milliseconds value and hence suited to sort. We can easily generate static site by enabling it. In newly created adapter site with a config.ts, we need to tweak origin to our site's URL. Package.json gets a script build.server to generate static site. Let's run the build. It generates HTML for MDX. cd to dist and start simple HTTP server. Browsing this works as node server does. That's it. Thank you.